Sell rubber fender, front pad, the terminal, and other ancillary installation. 1. Put the front pad that installed with a face pad at a flat rectangular sleeper. 2. Hanging the cell rubber fender on the front pad, and keep the hole of the cell rubber fender corresponding to another. 3. Use the front pad connect with bolts to combine the rubber fender and the front pad, install, and fastening. 4. Move the fastened rubber fender assembly to the dock, in accordance with the specified direction with the embedded sleeve in the dock. 5. Fix the rubber fender assembly with the sleeve bolts, but not completely tight dead. 6. Connect the maximum length anchor chain with the anchored U-rings and frontal frame lifting eyes. 7. Adjust the chain, make sure the rubber fender installed in a horizontal state with no sag phenomenon. 8. At last fasten the bolt. 9. Clean up the installation traces, smudge that may appear in the process. Finally, complete the rubber fender assembly installation.